Hi, it's Sean with TriState Waterworks. Got a customer here that's got some brown grass along the driveway. We're trying to figure out what's going on. Got their sprinklers running. The grass is getting wet. You can see them even getting myself wet now, getting the pavement wet. So it's definitely not the sprinklers. I always like to check the soil as well. Might have a soil issue here. So I'm going to take this long screwdriver and see what's going on in the soil. Well, I push it down in there and I can feel gravel just a couple inches down. So unfortunately, this water is going right down in the ground through the gravel, and the soil, the roots of the turf only have a few inches of soil to grow in. So when it gets this hot and dry, areas like this are going to brown out again. One thing we can do is increase the frequency of our run time. Problem I see here is, to get this green, I'm probably going to have a swamp down there. So you got to kind of figure some trade-offs occasionally. Do I want everything green and to have wet areas, or do I have to live with some brown spots? Be very expensive, but you could dig this all up, take the gravel out, and put topsoil back in. If you've got situations like this in your yard, take your screwdriver and see what the soil conditions are underneath. Hope this helps you out with your brown spots.